Good morning, everyone. It's almost 2 p.m., but I woke up late today, so good morning. My name is Carmen, and I usually like to talk about fashion, but in today's video, we're gonna do something a little bit different. So you see this area behind me? That's where I usually take pictures for Instagram. This area right here seriously needs to be tidied up, cleaned up, and redecorated. So let's do that. This is what it looks like right now. As you can see, it's not just for decoration, it's also a practical area. So I have my tissue box here and I have my glasses here. And you might have noticed my two new babies, my cacti babies, baby number 1, baby number 2. I want to name them, but I haven't named them yet. So if you have any name suggestions, please leave them down in the comments. I was thinking about something like Zara and Vivian, because this one was like 3 times more expensive than this. So how do you like my babies? Do they prickle your fancy? Because I think they're looking sharp. Okay, so I guess the first thing we need to do is to take all of this stuff off. Please don't judge me. It's really dusty here. It's gonna go straight into the washing machine anyway. Alright, so this is what's usually hiding underneath. It might seem messy, but it's actually pretty tidy. I've just cleaned up most of these boxes the other day and I decluttered a lot of stuff, and there's a construction going on right behind my window, so please don't pay attention to that. Anyway, so in the right upper hand corner we have my scrapbooking boxes, and every box has a theme. So there's like tape here and ribbons here and fabric scraps here and like colorful papers here and stickers here. There's more of that here in the very middle. There's pens and pencils and stuff like that here in the middle left box. Of course there's books here and here and here, and the heaviest book here, together with some computer cleaning tissues and my art tablet drawing thingy. And also, I don't want to be cleaning on an empty stomach, so recently I've been drinking stuff that's like no more than 5%. And if I can find something that's like 2 or 3, that's even better. But I went to the convenience store yesterday and the entire section of 5% alcohol was just cleared, was completely empty. Like everybody bought out the 5% alcohol to get drunk on a Friday night, I guess, or something. I don't know why you'd buy the weak stuff though, instead of the 9%. But this is the weakest I could get, and it's a 6, so I figured it's not a big difference. That should be fine, right? If I get a stomachache, well, you'll know why. I've just killed a spider. It was tiny, but still scary. I hate spiders. Anyway, it's gone now. I used to have a bit of a mold problem here in this apartment last year in the summer when it got really humid. So now I'm using vinegar to clean everything. Even though there's no mold here right now, it's just in case, really just a precaution, because we don't want to grow mold together. So much better now. And yes, that's fancy pants in all of those boxes. Ta-da. Yeah, I have too much stuff. That's why I have to cover it with fabric so it looks nice and neat. Just look at this shit right now. Oh my god, this is horrible. Okay, I promise I'm gonna make that look better now. I have here, for example, this mini sewing machine that my grandma sent to me years ago. and I never use it because the thread keeps getting stuck in it. So you like go on for like 15 centimeters and then you have to stop because you have to fix the thread that got stuck in the machine again. But I just can't get rid of it because my grandma sent it to me. So here I have like a box of cards that people sent to me, like birthday cards, Christmas cards, what have you cards, and I just have to show you this Easter card that my other grandma sent me this year. And this is just so Polish. This is just so typically Polish. So of course there's Jesus, there's a crucified Jesus, but do not fret, it's a happy holiday. Flowers and eggs, yay, because of course they're pagan symbols, but who cares, right? Not like Christians usually know where their symbols come from anyway. And here we have a recipe book. Because yes, we might care about crucified Jesus, but what do we care about even more? Food. So we have a cake recipe and a Jesus. That is Poland in a nutshell. Alright, so now that all of these boxes are cleaned up, it is time to cover it with some new fabric, which I just bought last week in Nipori. I went fabric shopping and I bought some new picture background, and then decide which of my witchy stuff will go on top here. It was actually kind of difficult to find fabric that was white, but not just plain, like had some pattern or embroidery on it. Because most of those that had a pattern were kind of beige or ivory, and I wanted white. Cheers! Fabric is not exactly the right size, like all of the fabrics I've had, so you have to fold it in just the right way to make it work, and it's actually more difficult than it seems, but we did it, so yay! So other than the stuff that was already there, I also have these two boxes of basically decor and overall witchy stuff. And I'll look through these boxes and see if there's anything that we like. I don't know, guys, what do you think? April decor? Yes or no? That's a little better for April. So this box seems to be mostly Halloween, so I'm not sure we'll be able to use much. Well, actually, you know what, guys? I know it's kind of boring, but I think I won't change much. Now that I look through all my stuff, it's mostly like autumn, Halloween, and like a bit of Christmas, and I don't really have much for spring. So unless I go shopping and buy something new, I think I'm gonna just stick to mostly what I already had up. I'm just gonna dust it and just clean up, and maybe add some fake flowers. I'm gonna add some fake flowers that I already have. This was a spice bottle. I think marjoram or something came in it, and I just kept it because it's such an awesome glass bottle. Absolutely reusable. I got this owl for Christmas, and I gotta say, at first I hated it because it's a cutesy owl, like it's totally not my style. Owls are supposed to be birds of prey. Owls are evil omens. They're not supposed to be cute. I fucking hate cute owls. But you know what? It grew on me. I kinda like it now. This, on the other hand, I loved from the moment I saw it. It was also a Christmas present, and it's a moonlight. Just check it out. On batteries. Alright, so I think we're gonna start with the cacti babies. Okay, so now I'm thinking that actually the white owl and the moon lamp might have to go just because it's so white here. I think I need more black decorations so that they can really stand out and pop on the white background. Right now it's looking like this, so see, well, that's not where it's gonna stay. I just put it there just to see how the black decor looks on the white background. I don't know, what do you think? Uh-huh, I found more flowers. This is what it looks like right now. Now the last step is to perhaps change some of this artwork up here. I think something with a little bit of color would be nice, red or purple or green, just to match these bottom decorations here. So these are all the artworks that I got from the Witch Casket. Oh, now this is good. That's very autumny, so that's a no. Maybe, because it's purple. Maybe no. That's a maybe. That's a no, just because I don't really like it. So usually I go with these light colored artworks. However, because I have this white fabric now, I thought it's okay to go with something a little bit darker. So I think I'm gonna go with these. So this is the final look. I know it might seem very monochrome for most of you probably, but to me this is like a crazy explosion of color. This is way more color than I'm used to. I'm usually just black and white, but I like it. I really like it. So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit that like button if you liked it, and please subscribe to see more videos like this. And I'll see you all next time. Bye!